Dear children of Micronesia, children of volcanic Fanu and bright Fu, of lush bob trees and deep blue Matao, you are the descendants of protectors, knowledge keepers, and dreamers. Aunties and uncles who walked ahead of you to hold up the sky, to clear a path, with love as surrounding as the sea, with courage as enduring as the land. Let me tell you of our heroes. There is Willy Kostka from Pohnpei, who has tended the garden of Micronesia, whose regional conservation work is creating a world in which our island's precious environments can truly flourish. As the forces of industry and habitat loss threaten our homes, Willy is building a bridge toward a more verdant and secure future, empowering the next generation of land and ocean protectors. There is Cinta Kaipat from Pågan in the northern Marianas, whose life was a vibrant reef of protection for our shores, who was the first Refolowash woman to become a lawyer. When the U.S. military threatened to turn her home island into weapons testing grounds, Cinta led a grassroots movement to preserve the land and culture of her people, reminding us in song and regalia of the beauty we are called to defend. There is Joakim Jojo Peter from Chuuk, who dreamed beneath the stars and championed the rights of migrants and those with disabilities, who showed an island of marginalized students how to reach for the sky. As his people faced displacement and violent discrimination, Jojo instilled their pride in classrooms and on the air. He founded multiple organizations to uplift his communities and was appointed to the Hawaii Civil Rights Commission as the first Kofa Citizen Commissioner, showing us that smallness is a state of mind and Micronesia is mighty. There is Tony deBrum from the Marshall Islands, who as a boy witnessed the nuclear bombing of his home and then went to war against injustice, who rose like a mountain from the sea to restore the rights of his people, earning him a nomination for the Nobel Peace Prize. When the Global North failed their climate pledges and threatened to walk away from environmental action, Tony held back the flood, sued every single one of the nuclear powers, and led the rest of the world to consensus as one of Micronesia's greatest guardians. And then there's you, my child, the dream of 100 generations. Never forget, no matter where you go in this world, that you are carried by those who have gone before you. May you walk in the daybreak of our heroes. May you protect the islands they held for you. And may you remember, this courage is yours too.